We had used Centra when we lived over on the mainland, and we're very happy with, I think they did a window and a screen door for us. So they were a front runner when we came here. But we also did get another quote from a company. But at the end of the day, we really liked the way that Jeremy showed us the choices that we had for the windows that we could get. And we just felt really comfortable with going with Centra. Excellent reputation.
I first met Jeremy when we invited him into the house to do a quote, and really appreciated him taking the time to tell us the different options that were available, the different types of windows that were available. We had lots of information, which was really helpful, not only with his job, but with other quotes that came in, allowing us to make that proper choice on the windows. So we had a pretty good expectation of what was going to happen and saw it happen.
Very personable from the moment that we first met him, came in, sat at the dining room table. I have never felt any pressure from him. Just he was there available whenever we had questions, and we did, had a couple of questions that we got back to him on. Very prompt in getting back to us. I would have no hesitation in recommending Jeremy or Centra Windows to anybody.